Open XAMPP. Click on Explorer. Create a folder inside htdocs. Copy the folder path. Open folder inside VS Code. Create an HTML file. Make some changes. Start the server. Open browser and go to localhost. Add / after localhost, then your folder name. By default, index page will be displayed. Before we proceed, open command prompt and type ipconfig. What we need is the IPv4 address. Now, open a browser on your phone. Then in the search bar, type your IPv4 address / then the folder name.